Hello, today I will show you how to hide uh, or how to hide your files. So let's start with first, if you have confidential files like for example this one, I don't want to show it to anybody, so I will hide this one. It's easy. You just need a Salamander application. It's right here. After that, you find the files. It's over here, so I will hide this one. So it's right here. It's easy. You just like check the hidden, change attributes, then click OK. So as you can see, the folder is hidden, hide already. And then to check, so that folder is it's not here. And then that's it. It's easy. For example, I have files here. This one. So for me, it's so confidential. So I'm able to be safe. So we hide this. That's it.